the video. So I'm sure you guys can already tell by the title. We're putting a full Yoshi on the 2019 CRF. I got the box here. I can't wait to rip into it. So let's see what they gave me. Do an unboxing here. Some shredded Yoshimura boxes. I don't know if you guys see.
Seems like a waste.
Springs and a spring puller. Here we go. Here's one header. Okay, so we got one pipe. One pipe in the middle section, in the mid section there. Okay, we got the second header. Put this down over here. And then we got one silencer. Then the other silencer. I'm not going to take that out right now. What I'm going to do now is start the bike up and get some revs of its stock. And then we'll put that on and get some shots of it with it on and see how it sounds. We got the pipe on. We haven't started it. Can't wait to hear it. We got a crowd here. It looks super fresh though, so enough talking and we're gonna start it. Alright guys, we got the pipe on. It sounds pretty mint. Check out these few clips of me riding it. So if you guys want to see more clips of me riding it, be sure to subscribe. There'll be a video. The next video I post will be a full ride video on it. Let me know down in the comments below right now what you thought of it. What's your favorite pipe? And smash that like button. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Deuces.